Here are the solutions to the review problems for the final exam for Math 2320, Differential Equations. So question number 1, use Euler's method to solve the initial value problem. Y prime equals 1 plus y squared, where y of 0 is equal to 1. You want to use the step size of h equals 0.1. We're going to find approximations for y of 0.1 and y of 0.2. So here you want to make up a table of values. I use 3 columns. I have the x column, which will fill in with the initial values, 0 for x, 1 for y of 0 equals 1. And then we're going to use the derivative to approximate the slope to calculate the next y value. So here, when x is 0 and y is 1, our derivative, 1 plus y squared, gives us 1 plus 1 squared, which is 2. So we're going to use the slope of 2 to calculate the next y value. We're going to use the step size of 0.1. That gives you the difference between each x. So I'm going to go to 0.1 for the next x, and then the next y. We're going to start with the previous y plus use the step size and multiply it by your approximation for slope. So I get 1 plus 0.1 times 2. 0.1 times 2 is 0.2, and you get 1 plus 0.2 is 1.2. So the approximation for y of 0.1, y of 0.1 is approximately 1.2. And then to get the approximation for y of 0.2, we'll just repeat the process. Calculate the slope using the derivative. Y prime is 1 plus y squared. In this case, y is 1.2. So you get 1 plus 1.2 squared. 1.2 squared is 1.44. Add 1 to that, and you get 2.44. So here, increment the x value by 0.1 to get 0.2. And here, increment the y value using your slope approximation and using the step size. You get the previous y value, 1.2, plus the step size, 0.1, times the approximation for slope, 2.44. 0.1 times 2.44 is 0.244. Add that to 1.2, and you get 1.444. So y of 0.2 is 1.444.